You're living the dream, they all say. You're so lucky to have a trailer. It must be so easy, they said. It's Sunday, we got stuff to do, let's get going. So you guys are legit so lucky to have me on here today, showing you what we have to do. We're doing this about every 2 weeks, which is fantastic for us considering when we first got this, we couldn't get through 5 days. So the fact that we're making it through 2 weeks is pretty phenomenal. Now we're here at the Maverick gas station. They have a dump, which is right behind me. I have we like to call it a stinky slinky. And we get rid of all of like our washing and tap water and shower water, and obviously our sewage. Fantastic. Fun fact, Walter has never done this. I am the one who does it all the time. I would never ever in my dreams let him anywhere near this because it is just so disgusting and I don't want him to do it. To make sure it's clipped on properly. I did not do that once and learned my lesson. So the best thing to do if you're gonna do this is to definitely get your sewage out first. Ugh. And then you do the water, the dirty water afterwards. So it actually kind of cleans your hose a little bit. But then right behind the camera right now, there's a water pump and I just normally just clean the hose off with that. So let's go see how we're doing. I keep thinking it's finished and then it's like, blah, blah, blah. So first of all, you're welcome for that insight. And second of all, you're welcome for that insight. So I quickly washed down the hose and put it back in the stinky slinky spot. Walter's got me a big gulp. I'm so excited. Let's head on into the car. All right, I'm looking a little more refreshed. The Riggs who live in Hurricane, Utah actually let us fill our water tank with their water hose. So we're here. I'm just letting it run for just a hot second. And yeah, here we go. So what do we need water for? I'm gonna tell you. Cleaning the dishes, although I have learned paper is much better. I have paper plates, I have paper bowls, I have paper cups, I have paper cups for coffee now. But I still use my pan and my spatula and all sorts like that. So I do need to be able to wash them. That's one reason why we need water. Second reason, the toilet situation. When you flush it, it needs water. Boom, there's number 2. And number 3 is when we have a shower in here, we need a little water. Okay, so I have some cleaning to do today. As you can tell, these are little foxy things that stick in your shoes. Ugh. But the water tank is right here and it is filling up beautifully. So this is how you take a shower in the trailer. You get in the shower. The power that comes out of here, not the greatest, but we still get clean and I can wash my hair. You just boop, boop, these up and you kind of have to like, shake your head around so it gets all over. Switch these off, lather up. And then, boop, boop, put these back up. You do this shaky thing again, shaky thing, and then boop, boop. And then you rinse out your hair. That is how you shower in a trailer. Those are the reasons why we need good old water. There we go. Nice and full. Huge, massive, mahoosive shout out to the Ricks who let us come and do that today. So these are just a couple of the most glamorous things that you need to do when owning one of these. Let's get back, hook on up, and start our thorough cleaning. All right, you can see we are back, and a couple of things slid over. Walter took that turn pretty good. Now it's just time to quickly put everything back together. We're all plugged in, we have the AC running. That is pretty much Sunday. So tonight, I believe we are having a movie night. We are going to be projecting a movie onto the side of a white trailer. It's pretty cool. They have Adirondack chairs, and just gonna chill out tonight, watch a wee movie, if you will. But before that, I gotta get all of this put back together, tidied, set for the week, probably come back when the movie is on to show you our sweet little setup. All right, so I said I would come back and show you our little movie setup. Look at this. Look how cute. Oh, ow. Morgan's chair. Right. Front row, Morgan. Front row. Got music playing just now. We have a little fire. That. And this is where we're going to be watching the movie, guys. Right underneath the moon. Isn't that pretty cool? We have everything here. We just had dinner at this table. Feeling very fat and happy. Can't wait for movie night. What are we watching? The Three Amigos? Three Amigos! All right, that is another Sunday done. It was a little maintenance day. I've managed to clean up in here a little and I'm feeling golden, feeling really good about it. So this week, don't quite know what is going on as of yet. Waiting for a couple of details so that I can actually work out my week. But knowing me, there's probably something pretty cool gonna happen. I'm gonna make it happen. I always make cool things happen. So until tomorrow, guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please remember to do so and hit that like button. Leave me a comment. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I do tend to get back to every single comment that we get, which is pretty rad. And don't forget that notification bell. If you are looking for any Mischief Maker swag, I'm going to have an update on that this week. So right now we have hats and stickers left. If you are looking for any of that, go and head to www.women-wheelers.com. And until tomorrow, guys, I will see you later.